In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade TraceRMM to a paid subscription and manage billing. Start by logging into your TraceRMM server. From the left-hand navigation, go to Settings, then open the Billing tab. This page shows your current license status. If the server is currently on a trial license, you'll see the trial status, expiration date, and an option to upgrade. To upgrade, click Upgrade to Professional. This opens the TraceRMM billing page on the TraceRMM website. From here, enter your billing information. This includes your company name, billing contact, billing address, and email address. The pricing estimate is shown before checkout, so you can review the monthly cost before continuing. Once the billing information is filled out, confirm the legal agreement checkbox, then click Continue to Checkout. The checkout page is handled through Stripe. Enter your payment information, review the subscription details, and click Subscribe. After the subscription is created, TraceRMM automatically applies the professional license to your server. You do not need to manually copy a license key or upload a license file. Once checkout is complete, the server license is activated automatically. After checkout, you can access the billing portal. The billing portal can be reached from the TraceRMM website by going to the billing section and logging in with your billing email. After entering your email, TraceRMM sends a sign-in code. Enter that code to access the portal. Inside the billing portal, you can view your company information, billing contact, subscription status, billing address, and invoice history. You can also invite other users to the billing portal. This is useful if another person in your organization needs access to invoices, billing details, or subscription management. From the portal, enter the user's email address, choose their role, and send the invite. The invited user can then access the billing portal without needing access to the TraceRMM server itself. The billing portal also lets you update company information and billing information. If your company name, contact details, address, or billing contact changes, you can update that information directly from the portal. Under Management Payment Options is where you can cancel your subscription to TraceRMM. Once the subscription is active, return to your TraceRMM server and refresh the billing page. The server should now show the professional license status, including the license key, plan, expiration or renewal details, and allowed endpoint count. That's the full billing flow.